The plan is to go to the Apple store and buy the new iPad Pro.
Thank you.
By the end of this video, I pray that I have the new iPad Pro.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is another side quest video of us just hanging out on a Friday night. My husband just got off work. Say hey babe. Yeah, so you guys are just gonna spend some time with mom and dad. The plan is to go to the Apple store and buy the new iPad Pro. This kind of is like a spontaneous purchase. Not really, because I've been wanting to get upgrade my iPad. But as far as doing that right now, tonight, it's kind of a little spontaneous. I have my old iPad right here that I plan on trading in. I don't really know how any of that works, so we're literally going to go figure all that out. By the end of this video, I pray that I have the new iPad Pro. How are y'all's Friday night going tonight? What is your plan? Drop in the comments right now what you plan on doing on Friday night. Our Friday night doesn't typically look like this. We are actually more on the homebody side. I pray you're having a blessed day today. And yeah, let's just get on with the get on. You guys, we made it to the domain. I'm so annoyed because I brought the wrong lens that I typically film with when I'm outside of the house. I'm filming on my regular lens, but I have a vlogging lens that is wide angle, so, but it's okay. But yes, we're at the Apple store. We're not there yet, but we're right across from it, and we're about to see what's finna go down. I'm very, very, very hopeful that I'm gonna walk out with a new iPad, but let's see. This is the size that I have, I think 11 inch. Yeah, I'm looking, the one that I want is the one that he's on down there, but I'm waiting for them to get out the way because they just spinning. This is what I want. Okay, this is the iPad Pro 13 inch M5 chip. I know. This one.
This is the iPad Pro, that one is the 8.
Yeah, I want the Pro.
You want the Pro 13 or 11 inch?
13. Okay, so I would get $450 off with my old one.
You can get up to $450. I have to do the assessment and see how much.
Okay, so what do we think?
What are you going to do with your iPad? Why
Everything.
you need a Pro?
Everything. Well, honestly, I just like having a Pro. So that's why, and I do a lot on it. So yeah. And I also edit on here and all that. Yeah.
Thank you. It's gonna be 919.
Babe.
People find together. Because otherwise, when you're in this orientation and the camera's over here, it makes it looks like you're looking away from the camera. Some of them are available with the inside.
Thank you. So happy. I just want to say I want to thank God for me being able to purchase this, because I have worked my butt off this year with just my content, being a full-time creator, and just chugging out content, checking out YouTube content. everything. And I feel like this is basically a gift. This is basically a gift, babe. A gift to myself. So I thank God for the consistency, the dedication, the hard work, even when I was down. Because at the beginning of the year, Corey and I were just talking this morning about how in the beginning of the year, it was looking a little spooky for me because I was not really putting in a lot of effort to this social media space because I was kind of depressed, honestly, because I was just going through a lot. But I've been working really hard, like working really hard on my content, especially on YouTube. That's the main platform that I care about. So it's really a gift to myself for working so hard on YouTube, and it's basically an early Christmas present. You're seeing me buy this, but just know that hard work came behind it, and also take care of what you have. You don't always need to stay up with the hype, like the most latest and newest things, because I had my iPad Pro, my other one, for how many years? 3? And that was my first iPad ever, and I'm just now upgrading to the newest iPad out. So I just want to thank God, because I would not be able to do this without him. This isn't to brag, this isn't to be sitting here like letting you guys come along with me buying expensive items, because everybody on a budget, but this is just merely a gift to myself, and I just want to thank God. This is also our first time shopping in Apple. Like, I feel like every single time we bought a device, we bought it from Best Buy. Yeah, really happy. Hey, does it look good on you?
Yeah.
Oh, just in case I was being nervous or like not really talking about what I was doing, I came here to buy the iPad Pro this size, the biggest size, the 13-inch. This is the newest one out. This is the M5 chip, but I got mine in silver because I just got the iPhone. Look, me sitting here talking about like I don't want to boast and brag and like think y'all think I'm just like buying stuff, but I did just upgrade to the 17 Pro Max because I was eligible, and it's in silver, so I wanted both of my devices to match. And yeah, I still also have an Apple Pencil, so I'm excited to add this to it. But yeah, I'm really happy because y'all know how long I've been wanting a new iPad. I've been wanting this for like a very long time because you guys know I'm a full-time creator, so I edit and pretty much do everything on my MacBook, my phone, and my iPad. So having, not saying that you need the latest gadgets, but it does help. And if you can provide that for yourself, it helps to, how do you say, like invest back into yourself. So the content money that I make, I was able to invest it back into myself. So yeah, but let's go have a good night. I feel like I'm acting like so like happy, but I think it's because not only that, okay, it's definitely because I got the iPad. Let's not even fake it. It's definitely because I got the iPad. And because I definitely wouldn't be in the same mood right now if something was to go wrong. I would not be in the same mood right now. Like, I would be kind of annoyed, and I probably wouldn't even care to still be out, because I'm like, the point of us going out was to get my iPad. I didn't get it, so now, so now I want to go home. But now that we got the iPad, I'm in an even better mood. We're going into Sephora, even though I can't film in there. But I'm going to Sephora because the Sephora sale is coming up literally next week. And I needed to look at some stuff that I was potentially going to buy this for the Sephora sale. But I needed to look at it in person to make sure that's what I actually wanted. Just in case it's like, girl, you don't really need that. So you already looked at it in person. It wasn't giving, so you don't need it. So we're going to go to Sephora, and then I'll be back because I can't film in Sephora.
Wait, so she said that one just came out yesterday?
I think so.
That literally came out 2 days ago.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh, y'all. I literally just got an iPad that came out 2 days ago. It's like I rarely, okay, here's the thing.
Dang.
Here's the thing. I have always loved getting new devices, but I've always seemed to get devices just like whenever you get it is when you get it. But for me to be able to have gotten my iPhone literally a week later after it came out.
Yeah.
I got my iPhone a week later after it came out, and I got my iPad. The iPad, the new M5 chip iPads just dropped 2 days ago. 2 days ago, and I was able to get. I didn't even know that. Like I knew the new because like September just happened. And you know, every September Apple drops the new of everything. So I knew a new iPad came out because it's September, and the new iPhones just came out. But I didn't know that they dropped the iPads in October. So it's just crazy. We're about to go eat and have a good night. I'll probably insert pictures of our food. We're going to Baskin & Robbins. You guys, this is truly a Friday night. I knew it should have been a good reason why we picked up the camera. Because, y'all, I never film, like, vlogging style things really anymore, but...
Hi.
I told you guys I was going to unbox my iPad Pro for you guys today. So it's a new day. Today's Saturday. We're gonna unbox iPad Pro. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow. Of course, in the box, it comes with the cord and the charging block. My case on there. I'm gonna just leave this like this.